Good morning, my dear students. Happy morning to all of you. Welcome to the active mathematics again. Welcome to the active maths. What I am going to teach you today? Aloo ka paratha. Do you know what is aloo ka paratha? Aloo ka paratha means arithmetic progression. Really, I am telling you, I would like to make it easy and I would like to clear your basic concept. Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression means aloo ka paratha. And let us enjoy the aloo ka paratha. See, I am just giving you today the basic concept of the arithmetic progression. Okay, I am Yogesh Shingle. I am teaching you the basic concept of arithmetic progression. See what is AP first. If I am writing here 4, 8, 12, 16. 4, 8, 12, 16. This 4 is called the first term. 8 minus 4 is 4. 12 minus 8 is 4. 16 minus 12 is 4. This A is called first term. First term. This 4 is called first term. D is equal to called common difference. D is called common difference. This D is called common difference. What is your first term? This is 4. What is your common difference? 8 minus 4 is 4. 12 minus 8 is 4. 16 minus 12 is 4. That is why it is called arithmetic progression. If I am writing here 3, 6, 9, 12. What is your first term? Your first term is 3. And what is your common difference? 6 minus 3 is 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. 12 minus 9 is 3. It means the common difference is 3. Okay. Now let us see. If I am writing like this, 5, 7, 9, 11. 5, 7, 9, 11. What is your first term? This first term is called A. It means A is equal to 5. This is your first term. Now tell me what is the common difference? Common difference will be 7 minus 5 means 2. 9 minus 7 means 2. 11 minus 9 means 2. The common difference means A is equal to 5. This is the first term. And common difference D is equal to 2. Okay, this is called arithmetic progression. Now suppose if I am writing 3, 5, 7, 10. Is it an AP? See, first term is 3. Common difference 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. But 10 minus 7 is 3. It means it is not AP. It is not AP. It means arithmetic progression. Is it an AP? 5, 7, 9, 11. Yes, it is an AP because the common difference is same. Throughout the arithmetic progression, the common difference should be the same. Then only you can tell this is AP. This is not the arithmetic progression. Okay? Now, I am just telling you the formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into t. Just you try to understand the meaning of this. Tn means last term, or you can say L also. L is equal to A plus n minus 1 into t. Sometimes somebody is telling like this also. N is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. This Tn, L, n, these are called last term. And this A is called first term. N is called number of terms. And this D is called common difference. Is this clear to everyone? This Tn is called last term. A is called first term. N is called number of terms. and D is called common difference. Hence the formula is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is your formula. Now just you try to understand the meaning of Tn last term and n means number of terms. See how. If I am writing here A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. These are the English letters of the alphabets A, B, C, D, E. Now I will ask you, how many letters are there? How many letters are there? It means you can tell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is equal to 5. It means number of terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I will ask you, what is the fifth term? It means last term, T5. And what is the last term? It means T5 is equal to E. The fifth term is equal to E. And n is equal to number of terms. If I am talking about the English alphabets, A to Z, how many letters are there? 26. It means n is equal to 26. And suppose if I am asking you, what is T26? T26 is equal to Z. Okay? If I am asking you what is T25, it means T25 is equal to Y. 25th number will be Y and 26th number will be Z. This is the difference between first term and the last term. It means the number of terms are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is equal to 5 and T5 is equal to E. Now one more example. If I am writing here 14, 18, 22, 26 and 30. 14 plus 4, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 4, 26 plus 4, 30. Now how many numbers are there? So you will tell me, sir, n is equal to 5. It means number of term is 5. Now what is first term? It means this is first term. You can say T1, T2, T3, T4 and T5. What is T1? First term 14. What is T2? T2 is 18. What is T3? 22. What is T4? 26. What is T5? 30. It means you can write n is equal to 5. It means number of terms is equal to 5 and T5. It means fifth term. Fifth term will be 30. Now suppose if somebody asks me this 26. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many numbers are there? 4. But what is T4? T4 is 26. It means number of terms are 4, but fourth term is 26. Is this clear? These are the basic concepts and generally students get the problem here in A and N. Tn and N are the same thing. I am just telling you T means the last term. Now, question is 5, 10, 15, 20. And now you have to find here this box. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is equal to box, it is blank. Now formula is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Which term you have to find? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By the method of inspection, you can tell me 5, 10, 15, 20. Certainly, this last number will be 25. You can say very well easily because 10 minus 5 is 5. 15 minus 10 is 5. 20 minus 15 is 5. It means common difference is same. It means it is AP, arithmetic progression. Now we have to find by this formula. It means which term you have to find? Fifth term. So T5 is equal to A. A is first term, this is 5. Plus N. N is 5. 5 minus 1. Into D, common difference. 10 minus 5 is 5. So 5 plus 5 minus 1 means 4. 4 into 5 is equal to 5 plus 20 is equal to 25. Oh, very good. It means the fifth term is 25. So you can write here 25. Clear? Now one more question I am taking. This is the fifth term. And by the method of inspection you can write fifth term is this. Now one more question I am taking. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. And now this you have to find. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. It means you have to find the sixth term. But you can say easily 35. The common difference is 7. First term is 7. Common difference 14 minus 7 is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which term you have to find? Sixth term. It means n is equal to 6. The formula is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. And which term you have to find? Sixth term. So T6 is equal to a. First term is 7 plus n. N is 6 minus 1 into d. Common difference 14 minus 7. 7. So 7 plus 6 minus 1 is 5 into 7. 7 plus 35 is equal to 42. It means by the method of inspection already you got 42. The answer is 42. I hope this is clear to you. It means what is the first term and what is the last term. Suppose if you are writing the numbers 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, dot, 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 20. Last term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20. Last term is 20. Common difference is 12 minus 11 means 1. First term is 11. Okay. Now one more question. 8. Now suppose you have to find 8, 14, 20, 26. Find 17th term. 70. 78th term. Find 78th term. Okay. First term is 8. Common difference is 6. Just you find out first whether it is an AP. Just you check the common difference. 14 minus 8, 6. 20 minus 14, 6. 26 minus 26. It means this is an AP. And now you have to find here, find the 78th term. See, formula is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. 78th term nikal. You have to find T70 is equal to A means first term 8 plus n means 70 minus 1 and common difference is 6. So you can write 8 plus 69 into 6. So 8 plus 6 nines are 54 and 5. It means 422. It means what is the 70 term? 422. Clear to you? I hope this is clear. Now, one more question. 9, 15, 21. Find 20th term. Find 20. This is an arithmetic progression. Find 20th term. 9, 15, 21. Just you find whether it is an AP. Yes. 9, 15, 21. 15 minus 9, 6. 21 minus 15, 6. Yes, it is an AP. It means A is equal to 9. D is equal to 6. Which term you have to find? 28th. So n is equal to 20. It means you have to find what is the term which will come on 20th number. This is the first term. Which number will come at 20th position? It means Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. T20th. So T20 is equal to a. First term is 9 plus n minus 1. 20 minus 1 into common difference is 6. Common difference is 6. It means T20 is equal to a is 9. So 9 plus 19 into 6. 19 5 is 95. 19 114. 114 plus 9. It means 123. The 20th term is 1, 2, 3. I hope this is clear to you. It means whenever the arithmetic progression is, again I want to explain, 9, 15, 21. The first term is a is equal to 9. A is equal to 9. Common difference is 6. 20th term you have to find the 20th term. N is equal to 20. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. T20 is equal to a. A means this is 9 plus 20 minus 1. N is 20 minus 1. D is 6. 9 plus 20 minus 1 is 9. 10 into 6. 96 are 114 plus 9. It means answer will be 1, 2, 3. It means T20th term is equal to 1, 2, 3. I hope this is clear. Now one more question. Seven, 10, 13. Find 58th term. Find 58th term. The same thing. First you see whether it is an arithmetic progression or not. A is equal to, just see, A is first term is 7. Common difference 10 minus 7 is 3. 13 minus 10 means 3. It means the common difference is same. It means it is an AP. So A is equal to 7. D is equal to 10 minus 7 means 3. And 58th term. So N is equal to 50. The formula is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. And you have to find now 50th term. So T50 is equal to a means 7 plus 50. N is 50 minus 1. Common difference is 3. It means 7 plus 49 into 3. 7 plus 147. It means 154. So T58 term is equal to 154. Clear? I hope that all the concepts of the arithmetic progression are clear to you. Okay, very good. Have a nice day. Now I am going to take the one more lecture after this. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.